guys how to make 2 easy appetizers, tamales, but we're gonna make chili con queso. And in here I've got half a block of Velveeta cubed up, and I'm gonna put in this hatch diced tomatoes and green chilies. I usually get Rotel, but they were out of the one that I like. I like the extra hot one. So I was like, well, they don't have it, so I'll just try this other brand to see how it turns out. But that's all you do for the chili con queso. Just put that in there, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave until it's melted, like a few minutes at a time. And then on the guacamole that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna use 3 avocados, some tomato, and some onion, and my Lowry's go-to garlic salt. That's all that's going to be in there. That's that simple, and I'll show you in a second. And then we have these pork tamales here, Texas Tamale Company. They're really good. You may be having those too. But about to put this in the microwave and cut the stuff up for the guacamole. Okay, here you will see I have 3 avocados de-seeded and cut in half in the bowl to make guacamole. And right now I'm going to put garlic salt, and all I'm going to do is smash these with the potato smasher. Tomato. Put this in there. Stir it up. Garlic salt. Just a little bit. Mix it up again. Perfect guacamole in minutes. Here you can see the chili con queso is done. Took 6 minutes total. I did 2 and then No, 5 minutes. I did 2 and then 2 and then 1. And it's all melted. I'm going to try it out. It's pretty good. I like the extra hot Rotel better, but it's pretty good. And there's the guacamole, chili con queso. Now I just gotta wait for the tamales to get warmed up. Guacamole, queso, tamales, done. All that's left is to serve plates. It's gonna be delicious, and it was super easy to make this meal. To have it, my dinner plate. Doesn't it look delicious? Like I said, easy guacamole, easy chili con queso. Tamales, they came cooked or whatever prepared. All I have to do is heat them up, but they're delicious, this brand. How's the guacamole, Lane?
Good.
There you go. Thanks for watching.